Good morning, followers, friends, family. Dr. Jimmy Henderson again, Dr. Jimmy's Tips. Today I want to talk about being real, being authentic, and what it actually means for your life. Being real authentic means that you actually don't wear masks. You don't pretend. You honor your feelings, your internal values, belief systems. In other words, you know what you are, or who you are, and what you want out of life. This will help you on your path to success. These tips are all contained in my latest book, The Power of Authenticity, which is on Amazon and Drafted Digital, if you're interested. Yeah, let me come back to this idea of authenticity. When you are in touch with who you really are, and you act according to your conscience, your values, and it prevents things like negative states of mind, like guilt and inattentions caused by contradictions in what you believe and what you have to do because of your job role or something. In other words, you act according to your true beliefs. You are honest with yourself and you're honest with others. Now, research has actually shown that this kind of inner conflict, as a result of knowing that you're not being authentic, knowing that you're pretending, knowing that you've been dishonest, or you sold out your conscience for a few coins of silver, can cause inner conflict, which can actually lead to health issues, hypertension, and other health issues. So I want to encourage you to take a good hard look at yourself and accept your strengths as well as your limitations, and know what you can do and what you want from life, and you're being authentic. In that book I describe The Power of Authenticity. I actually take you through steps to help you return to authenticity. So I hope to see you again, and all the best.